This is interesting brick. A little door in the big deer fence. It must be to let the little beasties through, badgers, hedgehogs, foxes and the like. Nice one. I like it. 5 stars, thumbs up. Let's go brick. Come on. Well, hello everybody. You join me in quite an interesting little place. Little Commonwealth graveyard, not far from the River Tay, just there. And an old disused railway bridge, upper line long forgotten, across the Tay. And over there we have the Balathy Hotel, Balathy House Hotel I think. So what a lovely little spot to have a sauce of sizzle and a chill out for a while. We've just been to Conclaven Woods, which are always lovely, but too busy, so we decided to just cross over the river Tay and Isla, and here we are. So join us as we tuck in to a well-deserved lunch. That is looking good. And one young man is keeping his eyes on these sausages. But no Brett, none for you, okay. Right, time to tuck into this delightful hot dog delight. Whoa. A couple of sausages, I think. I've been rude not to. Ketchup from a well-known fast food outlet. Don't spare it. Lovely. And Dijon mustard, which has a bit of a kick. Oh, nice. Oh, plenty. Plenty. Lovely. Right. Let's see what this beauty tastes like. Oh, delicious. Okay, we're all good. Breck's having a little drink of milk, like a big kitty cat. I think he's a massive cat. And I'm having my nice coffee in the little coffee making machine here. Can't remember what you call them. Is it Italian something or other? But it makes incredible good coffee. So that should be ready in a jiffy. And I can chill out for a wee while and enjoy the peace and quiet of this tranquil spot right by the River Tay, and then an old graveyard, so quiet neighbours too. Oh, you enjoyed that. Oh, we have some action. That didn't take long. Let's have a wee peek. Oh, look at that. Good quality coffee. That'll taste good. Magic. Switch that off. I've got this little stove. I always wanted one for when, you know, oops, weight isn't an issue and you're just using your car. I got this for about £12.99 at a Lidl. Bargain! Right, coffee time. That looks good. Oops, spilling it a bit. Right, that'll be a proper perk me up. So, enjoy, and Breck's had some more treats. So, it's all good here at the quiet site. It's so lovely to see little Brecky boy just chilled out. He's just got into the zone. He's enjoying the peace as well as I am. We'll enjoy this for a while. Bit of bliss. Zoom out. That's better. So lovely here. Very peaceful. Okay, we've made it down to the River Tayside edge, and there's some beautiful properties along here, and the grass has been cut for the fisher folk to get along and access their lovely fishing beats. This must be some of the finest salmon fishing beats you'll find anywhere, I would say, in Scotland. I'm sure they cost a pretty penny as well. Glorious up there. I think that's called Cargill House, which has holiday apartments to rent. It's just so sad that it's so difficult to actually get down and access the riverbank unless you're a fisherman. But I just wanted to have a closer look at this beautiful, sturdy railway bridge for whatever line that was. Probably went to Blair Gowrie and beyond, who knows. Now disused. What a fine structure. So, lovely spot, isn't it? I really like it. Well maintained for the fishermen. Hey Bricky, oh he's off. We'll have a closer look at that bridge. Right, that lovely green cut grass path has now become a treacherous track. Oh look, Breck's way ahead. I think I just heard a salmon leap. Right, see if I can negotiate this without endangering my life and that of my dear dog. Jeez, oh. Bricky, wait! Come here! Come! Brick! This way! Come! If only I had the agility of a collie. Look at him. No bother. Come here! Here! Right, this is about as close as I'm going to get to this bridge. I just wanted to have a nosy at it. It was on the map that I was having a look at when I was at Kinclaven earlier, and I thought, let's have a nosy at this disused railway bridge. Fantastic. Glad I came. Hey Breck, we better head back now. Okay, back that way. Go, go, go. Let's go. Go. Wait. That's it. Go on. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Good boy. Well folks, thank you for joining this impromptu little adventure along the River Tay, not too far north of Perth, near Stanley, and the famous meat-clear hedges, the tallest beach hedges in the world apparently. So thanks for joining me on this little trip. Hope you enjoyed it. Rick and I have absolutely loved the little adventure today. So if you enjoyed it, maybe consider liking, subscribing, and leave a wee comment. I always appreciate those to try and improve this wee channel of mine. So I'll leave you guys at this disused railway bridge on the River Tay. Ballowburn, check it out.